Whoa, really? See, Doggy deleted his YouTube stuff? Dude, that scares me. What if he doesn't come back? What was the ending of his last stream? Go check it out, Test. He might have actually left like I almost did like 10 times before this. I mean, what? That taping noise? What do you mean? Oh god! My fire alarm went off, guys. 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I was not expecting that. I'm definitely highlighting that because I didn't expect for that to happen. It's a long story what that was about. It just happened. And yeah, highlight that shit. Okay, let's try this for real now. Oh. No, body was not ready.